Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the derivatives of composite functions. For our first example, we have to take the derivative of the cosine of pi times x times the cube root of x. To do this, we need to use the product rule, which states that f prime times g prime equals f prime times g plus g prime times f. This means that to find the derivative, we need to find the derivatives of f and g, so we can multiply them by each other's non-derivative counterparts. In our case, f equals the cosine of pi times x and g equals the cube root of x. We will need to take the derivatives of both f and g, using the chain rule, the radical rule, and the power rule. Since f is still a composite function, we need to use the chain rule to solve for f prime. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, meaning f prime is negative sine. F prime of g of x is then the negative sine of pi times x. Now, we just need to take the derivative of g of x, or pi times x, which is simply pi. This gives us the full derivative of cosine pi times x, the negative sine of pi times x times pi. Now, let's solve the second portion, the cube root of x. This time, we need to use the radical rule, which states that the nth root of a equals a to the 1/nth power. This gives us x to the 1/3 power. After using the radical rule, we need to use the power rule to receive the derivative, 1 over 3x to the 2/3 power. Now that we have both derivatives, we can use the product rule to find the derivative for the complete function. Let's start by plugging in the values. Then, we can solve the parentheses to receive our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.